It is recording. Woo-hoo! So anyways, testing my Osmo camera, action cam. Woo-hoo! Anyways, doesn't seem like anybody's working today, which is good. Not much traffic. So I did a camera plate adjustments or installation on this vehicle. There are some corners that I always like test the vehicle to see. I guess compare and contrast. So we better go there and we're gonna see how the car basically handles the same corners. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah. Nice. Wow. Almost a neutral feeling. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the setup. I love the setup. I love the setup. Absolutely incredible. So I have a loop that I always use to test the vehicle to see, okay, you know, compare and contrast why this is moving so much. And I get pretty good feedback from this loop, and you're about to see what that loop is. It's quite interesting. Oh my God, look at that. It's love bug season. Crap. That means I need to wax the vehicle. I really do not like love bugs. They ruin your paint. Alright, so hopefully there's no traffic on the next exit. I guess I call this the MotoGP. Woo! Surprise! Oh yeah, baby. There's nobody on this exit. Alright, so let's see if I don't ruin it. Beautiful. Alright. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I'm trying to push the clutch. Oh my God, absolutely. Just beautiful. Alright, so that's definitely a huge improvement from the last time I drove this vehicle through this corner. Definitely have a lot of front end grip by putting the camber plates. I put it one more, I want to say maybe half a degree more than factory. It seems to get a front well planted. The rear is still the same. I think from factory the rear has just enough decent amount of camber to, I guess, to induce that oversteer behavior that most people feel when they're driving these F30 vehicles. So adding a little bit of camber in the front kind of like evens it out and makes the car have a much more neutral feel as opposed to the understeer that you normally get. If anything at all, maybe a tad bit of oversteer, but I mean my feedback from the vehicle is just zero oversteer. Alright, let's see my next exit. Is this still recording? Yes it is. It's just fucking amazing, man. This car just took on a whole different level. Very impressive. It's a whole different level. Wow. I am literally speechless. So I'm running 265 30 18s on this square fitted wheels on Inky TSV rims. Running the Kumo Esta V720s. They are Extreme Summer tires. I've always had good luck with Kumo tires since my Miata, and I just kind of stuck with that brand. I definitely like the progression that they're going. They seem to be just a tad bit below the Bridgestone RE models, and competitively, I want to say the difference is really up to the driver. I like the extreme lateral grip which the Kumo seems to give. They're a little bit numb in the center as compared to the Bridgestones. I tried the Bridgestone RE11As. This tells you how long ago I raced, I call it, with Bridgestones. I ran the RE11As. I was very impressed. The feedback was very, very positive. You always knew what the tire wanted to do, and you had a feel when it was going to break loose. So it was very inspiring. It made me a faster driver. But I felt like I can't really afford to keep buying R11s, especially not in a 265 tire size. That said, I absolutely love the V720s. Osmo wind test. So I'm running the Dinan camber plates, and this is what it looked like. obviously you can see my Koni adjustments right there. So I'm just a tad bit off for what you might consider what stock is, a little bit more negative on the settings on that, with some Megan Racing strut bar, and this is my current setup. I've been very impressed with it and very happy with it. And the same thing over there, slight negative. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right there in the center should be your neutral point. I mean, it should be a center point. There's this notch right here, and it's just one click off towards negative. And same thing over here, basically right there, dead in the center as well.